Okay, hello, grade 7 students. I'm putting up this video for you because we do not have any session. So I just want to make you understand what the project is all about. You can see these two files here. One is Excel rubrics for the project 7 activity, and next is sample of project copy. This I'm going to upload it in the Teams. First is rubrics. So I'm going to open up now the rubrics file and explain what is there inside that. Okay. So as you can see here, I hope it is visible for you. You can open it later and go through it, to try and understand. First activity is growing of bread mold, that is fungi based on the lesson kingdom classification. So we have this 5 kingdom, out of which one kingdom is fungi, a very unique kind of a kingdom, right? No, so you can see the second thing is parameters, and here is a column for distribution of the marks. So let us first understand how many marks are going to you're going to score based on these various parameters. So pictures, how are you going to do it, and how are you going to send me everything, I'm going to explain in the later thing. Okay, so pictures of at least 7 consecutive days. Growing of this bread mold is going to take, say, from 7 to 8 days, 8 or 10 days, it depends. Don't take this 7 as a fixed number. It can vary for many, all of you. Okay, it could be 6 for some, 7 for some, 10 for some. So it doesn't, not a problem in that case. But I want your gradual the growth of the bread mold to be seen. Okay, from nothing on the bread to a small thing, and then it grows bigger and bigger and bigger. So like that, at least 5 pictures of various stages of the growth of the bread mold you have to attach to the file. If you are going to make a PPT, insert it into the PPT. If it is going to be a Word file, you can put it into the Paint and copy paste that image in the observation section, which I'm going to explain you later. So observation, I'm going to give you a Word file in which there is already a sample thing. How are you going to write, how are you going to send me the project? So in that one table is going to be for observation. That is, there are only these 2 parameters I want you to write. First is the color, and second is size or the length of the fungi strands. That is going to carry 5 marks. So your observation, the color of the fungi normally grows from white to grayish color, then towards black color. Okay, so after first day, second day, what were your observation? You're going to, the table is already given there in the Word file. You have to simply fill it up and send it to me. That is going to carry 5 marks. Next is explanation and viva, which I'll be taking online. Okay, I'm going to check how are you explaining things, whether you have not copy pasted from any other source, and I'm going to ask certain questions. So that is going to carry 10 marks. So for first activity, 20 marks done. Fine. Let us go to another activity. Now for this, see, this activity is about what? It is about identify the bacteria of the given food product based on the kingdom classification. Again, based on kingdom classification, first kingdom, Monera, is consisting of bacteria, and we have got 4 basic shapes, right? So for this particular question, I prepared a Google link. So that link also I am posting in the team. Okay, 7th D team. So in that, there will be 2 type of questions. First is going to be identify the bacteria given in these names. Curd carries which bacteria? So there is kind of a match the pair in the Google test. I will explain you that also later. Okay, so in that Google link, you have to simply match the name of the bacteria with this food. In curd, which bacteria is present? In milk, which bacteria is present? In cheese, which bacteria is present? Yakult is the name of a probiotic. Yakult powder is name of a probiotic bacteria. So you have to match it correctly. Next is pickle, what kind of a bacteria is present there? So the first thing you can see carries 5 marks. Identify the bacteria given in the food product is 1 mark each, 5 marks. Second is identify drawing I have deleted. Okay, so you have to simply identify the shape of the bacteria shown in the picture. So in the Google test link, you will be seeing the various shapes of the bacteria. you have to simply, and options are also given, you have to simply click the right option. Which is it? Whether it is cocci, bacillus, spirilla, vibrio, or there is one more added, that is Rhizobium yellowto. Identify and choose a correct one. That is of again 5 marks. So this is how your 10 marks is done. So 20 marks of first activity, then 10 marks of next activity, this Google test link, and the revision test which is already done, that will be converted to 10 marks. This is how your 40 marks are getting collected for the internal assessment. Fine then. So the second activity is based on a Google test link. That link also I am pasting. Okay, I am posting rather in your Teams. So you have to click the link and attempt the test. Don't forget to give the test. This first activity is something that you have to perform and then fill up the sheet. Now this is the first rubrics. This is also I am going to post. Now I am going to open the Word file which says the sample of project copy. Let us see what is there in this. Yeah, so let me explain you. See, in the beginning, at the start is the name of the student, division, roll number, everything is there. You have to simply copy, download the Word file, put your correct information and forward it to me after conducting the activity. Aim is given, apparatus is given, procedure is given. So in procedure, I'll just explain in short. Now you have to take 3 zip bags, okay, and label the bags. See, here it is given 3 slices of bread, water, 3 zipper bags, glass jar, tape, marker, pen, phone and a camera. Label the bags cold, room temperature. Use a double bag for the label cold. अभी 3 bags ले रहे हो, उसमें से 2 bag एक के अंदर एक डालना है, फिर 2 bags रह जाती है, बराबर. In all you will have just 2 bags, क्योंकि एक में तो दूसरी वाली डाल दी है, ठीक है. और so one bag is labeled as cold, the other will be labeled as room temperature. Fine. And the glass jar which will be you're taking, that will be labeled as refrigerated. Okay. Don't forget to to write the start date on the bags when you are going to start this experiment. So how are you going to start? Sprinkle an equal amount of water on each slice of the bread. Okay, so you have to sprinkle, not make it wet entirely. Then place a slice of bread inside each plastic bag and one in each glass jar. There are 2 plastic bags, तो उसमें 2 ब्रेड चले गए और एक ग्लास जार में चला गया, ठीक है. अभी उनको टेप शट करना है, इन द सेंस एकदम जिप लॉक, एकदम एयर टाइट करना है, सील करना है, so that there is no passage of the air. So now you have to place these things properly. Where, see, place the label cold in the freezer. Freezer in the sense in your regular thing where you keep all your food stuff in the normal temperature of the fridge, the lower part of the fridge where you keep your juices and other things. The label bag room temperature will be kept outside safely outside the house, probably where it gains some sunlight also, okay. And the jar will be go in the refrigerator. Refrigerator is a part where you keep the ice pack. The ice is getting ready in that particular part, so that jar is going to go in that section. Now you will just wait. Eventually every day over a course of 10 days, keep clicking the photographs and keep labeling that this was the growth taken on 2nd day, 3rd day, 5th day, 10th day. So by the end of the 10 to 12 days, you will see fully grown bread mold on either all the 3 slices, or maybe in some it is very fully grown, in some it is just not grown, in some it is minutely grown. So that is what we are doing, some comparative study also, okay. I could have just told you to do some activity wherein we can get very fully grown bread mold. But why I want you to understand why are we taking these 3 cases? Because there are different set of conditions there, right? So only one bread mold is going to give you proper results actually. And then you have to identify why did it fail to grow in the other 2. So this is your observation table which you have to fill in. These days can be changed, like day 1 it has to be there, then day 3, day 4, 5, 6, 7. That it depends on you. How was the color of the strand? How was the color of the fungus? Was it white? Then it became grey. It could be white for 2-3 days, then it will turn grey, and towards then it will become black. How was the size? You can either write in inches or write in centimeters, or just write smaller and a little longer, and kind of adjectives will also work, right? Then you're going to write conclusion in your own words. Does the moisture affect the mold growth? What do you think? If we did not wet the bread mold, will still the mold be able to grow? So think and answer. Among the slices, then second question is, among the slices you experimented with, which ones grew mold fastest? There were 3 sets, right? But out of these 3, which one do you think the fungus grew faster and the least one also? Two things, right? No? So give reasons for your answers. I'm going to cross check when I will be asking you to explain in a online session while I'm going to teach you Viva also. So please do not manipulate anything. Do it very sincerely. This is something you will be enjoying. Just take care that you will not go near to the bread mold, because they have spores and they may get spread the allergy, just like pollen grains may affect us. So stay away. Use hand gloves to handle the bread mold if you're going to take it out. Okay. So take those proper precautions and conduct this experiment in your free time, and you'll enjoy also. You can just hold the plastic bag in your hand and take a selfie with it, so that I understand that it is you who is doing the activity. Okay, so that you will enjoy taking selfie, though. So the two things get coming together at one go. Understood? So this is about and this you can just download, and what do you say, and I'll be probably putting the test link here also in the Word file and posting it separately in the group. So don't forget to attempt the test, Google test link of 10 marks, and this activity of growing the bread mold of 20 marks. Okay? Yeah, all the best children. See you soon. Bye bye.